Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, the second Chief Minister of Bengal, a freedom fighter and a physician par excellence, was born on the 1st of July 1882 to Prakash Chandra Roy and Aghor Kamini Devi at Bankipur, Patna, Bihar. His father, Prakash Chandra Roy, was an excise inspector. His mother, Aghor Kamini Devi, was a pious lady and a devoted social worker. After completing his graduation in mathematics, he applied in both the Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology and Calcutta Medical College. He was accepted by both and went on to study medicine. Intending to enroll himself at St. Bartholomew's Hospital to pursue postgraduate study in medicine, Bidhan Chandra Roy set sail to England in February 1909 with only ₹1200. However, the Dean of St. Bartholomew's Hospital was reluctant to accept an Asian student and rejected Bidhan's application. Dr. Roy did not lose heart but kept submitting his application again and again till the Dean, after 30 admission requests, admitted Bidhan to the college. Bidhan Chandra Roy completed his post-graduation in just 2 years and 3 months, and in May 1911 accomplished the rare feat of becoming a member of Royal College of Physicians and a fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons simultaneously. He returned home from England in 1911. Dr. Roy was called the Sherlock Holmes of medicine due to his exceptional and uncanny ability of diagnosis and treatment. Legends about his skills are still part of medical folklore. Among his patients were Deshbandhu Chittoranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, American President John F. Kennedy, and British Prime Minister Clement Attlee. It is said that Dr. Roy was the only physician who could administer medicines to treat Gandhiji during many of his 18 fasts. An ardent nationalist by heart, Dr. Roy was instrumental in organizing the civil disobedience movement in Bengal in 1929. In 1948, at the age of 65, he became the second Chief Minister of Bengal and carried the mantle for a glorious 14.5 years. During his tenure, he was the founder of several satellite and industrial townships like Durgapur, Asansol Industrial Township and Kalyani. Bidhan Nagar, or Salt Lake City, as it is popularly called, is a planned satellite town in the Indian state of West Bengal. It was developed between 1958 and 1965 to accommodate the increasing population of Kolkata. It is now a hub of economic and social expansion and is famous as a center for IT in the city. Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, the then Chief Minister of West Bengal, was instrumental in formulating the plan to build this satellite area, and the township was named Bidhan Nagar in his honor. The city was built on a reclaimed saltwater lake, which gave rise to its popular name of Salt Lake City. This is the same Salt Lake where our proud institute Haryana Vidya Mandir is located. He also commissioned the Farakka Barrage, Haldia Port and the Himalayan Mountaineering Institute in Darjeeling. When Satyajit Ray's film Pather Panchali was stalled due to financial problems, he allotted state revenue to fund it. Pather Panchali went on to win countless national and international awards, including one at the prestigious Cannes Film Festival and also a BAFTA and catapulted Ray to the heights of the greatest filmmakers in the world. This great personality breathed his last on the 1st of July 1962, same as his birthday. In his honor, this day is celebrated as National Doctors' Day.